This is the Kipmax X20 Pro cordless vacuum, and it was gifted to me for review. And it completely flips the scripts on your traditional home vacuums by combining a massive power with a brilliant self-contained design. So let's get straight to the point and tackle those top questions that you might have. A big question about the Kipmax is what's the battery life like? And you can be rest assured and have no battery anxiety because this vacuum delivers an impressive 70 minutes of continuous running time in EQ mode. Has a heavy duty removable battery. So when you're finished, you just park the vacuum right onto its charging and storage station, and it charges it automatically while keeping the vacuum and all of its accessories placed in just one spot. It has a 7-layer filtration system, which traps the fine dust and the allergens. And then it also has a really cool feature of a scent that you can place into the system. And then as you're vacuuming, the scent is released into the air to help your home smell better, which I thought was super clever design. And I hadn't seen that before. And they give you one extra. The vacuum's clever layout features a massive 1.5 liter dust tank that empties with a single press. So it keeps your hands clean. The layout easily switches from a traditional upstick vacuum to a lightweight handheld mode. And it has 2-in-1 brush tool and a crevice tool, which is so easy to use. A motorized brush, all of the tools right here, so you can clean from ceilings to floor. So let's do a little test. I love the light on this vacuum. You're able to switch the modes right at your fingertips. Super convenient, super easy. The bare floor, carpet, and your turbo mode all at your fingertips, and the battery life. So I've got some cereal and some flowers. You can see one pass picks up the cereal on the carpet. One pass picks up the cereal on the flower on the carpet. And then you're able to do one pass with on the bare floor, as I changed it to the bare floor. And as I'm just going through on the bare floor, just kind of seeing how it maneuvers, I really loved the neck and the swivel, and it was super smooth. I've had other vacuums which are really tight and kind of difficult. I love that it goes just right under my couch because that is such a hard place to reach. So super impressed with the movement and the motion. And then once you get to the crevice tool, perfect for couches. I'm going to use this in my car 100%. So easy to get into all the little crevices in your car. Just one click and you're able to brush and go and get all of those hard places that are just difficult to get to. As a busy mom, Kipmax has all of the features I need.